welcome back or welcome to my channel. It is currently Friday, August 1st at like 4:30 p.m. and I'm just picking up the phone because before I was on FaceTime with Noelle and we were watching a new show and I've been bored, so we're gonna start filming. I know I'm kind of picking up the vlog late on Friday, but I think I'm gonna do a little combination of the rest of today and then also Saturday to give you a little productive kind of weekend in my life. I already made my bed before. I don't have footage of that. I didn't get ready for the day, but I literally just put on my boyfriend's sweatshirt and then I have a pair of Alpha Elite gym shorts. Cleaned up my desk a little bit, cleaned up my vanity. The rest of my room is kind of messy. We're doing a little Bible study. Noelle's gonna do some reading, but look how pretty it is. Look at all the colors and my notes. This little setup I have, don't mind how big this Bible is, and it's literally only the first part of it. Then we have a little journal I want to start with it. Then we have all my cute highlighters, my pen, my computer, and here's Pookie. We had a really good Bible study. I basically just did all of 2. So all this, highlighted all my little notes, all up here, stopped there, and then I just went into my little journal and I wrote stuff for my little Bible study. The first part was basically a summary and then just like a reflection in the bottom half. I fully know what I want to do now necessarily. I am watching a Dan TDM 5 Nights at Freddy's video because why wouldn't I? But I have started a new book. I'm reading after I have watched all the movies with my boyfriend. The movies are amazing. So he got me the entire book series for my birthday. So we have that. I got to chapter like 23 and it made nothing. Look at that dent. So I'm probably going to read it now. Make the best coffee every single time. I'll drop the recipe in the description. I literally just finished my coffee and I drank the whole entire thing so insanely fast. But now we're gonna shower because the hair, greasy mess. I just came back from my shower. I put on some pajamas. These are my Victoria's Secret pajamas. They're so freaking comfortable and my boyfriend got them for me a couple months back. But they're so cute. I'm probably just gonna chill and watch something, or I might do a face mask, but if I do, I'll pick up the camera again. But for now, we're gonna chill and keep FaceTiming Pookie, Noelle. There's some more stuff I can do today. I did do teeth whitening strips. That's why if you're getting blinded by that little thing, and there's a new one right there, that's why. Of course, I didn't whiten my teeth. It just literally whitened that one spot. But tomorrow, I'm probably gonna wash my bedding because I haven't washed in a little while, and then more planning because I want to try meal prepping because for school I'm gonna need some lunches, so I gotta do that. And then try and start packing because I'm leaving for Portugal a week as of tomorrow and nothing is packed and nothing is away, so gotta get that started. You want to do a great snack. Take some strawberries and some whipped cream. Hey y'all, good morning. It is August 2nd, 10:35 in the morning, and we got dressed, put on a cute little outfit. Shirts from Hollister, pajama shorts are from Hollister, literally my favorite clothes ever. But I need to wash my bedding because I haven't washed in a while, as I said yesterday. So let's take everything off and go put it in the washer. Okay, so I just took everything off my pillows, and there's a big pile of sheets, my blanket, and my 2 pillowcases. Y'all, I just got the first batch of bedding, so we're gonna go ahead and put it on my bed. Okay, y'all, it's currently 6:37. I still have one of my bedding things in the dryer, so I have to go get it soon. But basically, me and Noelle have just been like chilling and just talking about stuff, and it's been pretty fun. Now I'm watching some YouTube, and that's basically it. Again, it's a good day, very boring, but also trying to be a little productive. I know we're a little late, and I've seen some opinions and information from the qualifying for the Hungarian Grand Prix, but we're gonna watch it right now. Hey everyone, it is currently 11:26 on Sunday, August 3rd, and right now we already put on a cute outfit. I'll show you guys after we're done, but right now I'm gonna get ready, kind of show you guys my routine, kind of speed through some parts, but we're gonna get ready right now. Okay, I'm not going anywhere today, So we're kind of just getting ready for just like being at home, but also just like want to be cute and have fun when I'm at home today. I'm on FaceTime with Noelle, but she is making her own YouTube video right now. I'm like forgetting my routine. I'm all out of whack. I never film a get ready with me for YouTube, and I always do them on my TikTok. So go check out my TikTok if you want to see what get ready with me is there. But these are just all the products that I use, and they work so insanely well for me. Love the road glazing milk. Fully do my makeup, and I honestly always really want to like start wearing more makeup, so I'm going to show you guys my little makeup routine that I formulated that works so beautifully and so well. But we're just only gonna do a little bit because this makeup doesn't let you like feel anything that's like on your face, which is so nice. But I don't know why I never get myself to wear makeup. I love how I look without it, but I want to try it. So this is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Light 1.25. And then I just take a beauty blender. My favorite beauty blender is the James Charles one. I really want to buy the like blind mystery box he has out right now because I think that is such a fun and good idea. But I love the one I have right now, and it works so well. I had to buy another one. This is my second one I bought from him because the first one I had, I did my dad's Halloween makeup with it, and we used James Charles's black Create paints, and let's just say it is very dark. And my white beauty blender was gone after that. Could not go back on the face. But this concealer literally blends so seamlessly into your face. I love it so much. I heard so many amazing things from TikTok, and we had to buy it. I just like hate almost like potentially covering up my freckles. And another two of my Holy Grail products, the Say bronzer and blush. Love these. I heard so many amazing things from TikTok, and I was like, you know what, I only have the Rare Beauty bronzer and I have two Charlotte Tilbury ones, and love them. They work amazingly. They're beautiful, stunning, but these just really do blend so much more seamlessly into your face, and I just really wanted them because I heard so many amazing things about them. Again, I'm not amazing at makeup, so this is everything what I know from watching years of James Charles, and then also just watching like tons and tons of girls get ready with me on TikToks. You learn a lot from makeup that way. Again, don't know where to fully place things, don't know how to fully blend things out. You're not supposed to drag. I end up dragging it on my face, whatever. My two favorite blushes, and they're literally like basically in the exact same color. This is the Rode Pocket Blush in the shade Sprinkle, and then this is the Say Dew Blush in the shade Sweetie. But I think we're gonna go with Say today. The only other blush I have is the Rare Beauty blush, and I love it. But for me, it is a little hard to blend out. That is like the only downside for me. I just want, like when I do my makeup, I want it to look extremely natural. And I don't want it to look like insane on my face. That's why I picked these products, because they are like put out there as very dewy, very natural. Next is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Powder, and it's just going basically over the concealer, yeah, and with a little powder puff. I love this because it literally, well, I do have some creasing, but normally it takes away all of that and leaves you looking flawless. I feel like I look a little crazy in the camera, but trust me, in like real lighting, it doesn't look that bad. anything on my brows. I don't really have a good brow gel that I like yet. So if you have any good recommendations, please let me know. And no idea where I got this eyelash curler. My mom just got it for me one day and I've had it ever since. So I don't know if it's like a big beauty brand or if it's literally just from Amazon. It probably is just from Amazon. Ow. These things scare me so much because a while back the back part ended up swinging and it like cut me in the face, and they always manage to squeeze my eyelids while doing this. Like I never have, oh, this time is good. I never fully have a good time when curling my eyelashes because I always end up getting hurt by it. And they always make my eyes water. It's so bad. But for mascara, I love this one. I used to have the Brooklyn and Bailey one. That one, chef's kiss. No wonder why their eyelashes are so pretty. But this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Love it. It is such a great mascara all the times that I wear it. Again, I don't wear makeup that much, so I hate the feeling of taking mascara off my face. It makes my eyes feel so insanely heavy and I hate it, so I don't like to put that much on, and every time I do it, it always looks clumpy. So I take like the mascara or eyelash brushes and I wiggle it through it. I never do any on my bottom lashes because I don't want like what looks to be like spider lashes. And then for lips, I always do any Summer Friday shade. We're gonna do the pink sugar one today. This one's by far my favorite, and of course it's the mini. It just basic on the lips. I think I'm gonna skip highlighter today. I'm so sad my Rare Beauty highlighter broke. But then once everything's all done, of course the best setting spray on the market. If you don't have it, go buy it. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. That's it for the makeup. Also, this is my outfit. This shirt is from Hollister. I had it like so many years ago. And then these are from Hollister, just low-rise jeans with some rips in the knees. We're gonna go make a coffee. Like this little pooch. Hi, baby. This is Zoe. Hello. Okay, y'all, for coffee, I use the vanilla one from Starbucks and literally just pop it in the Keurig. And then I don't use this cup to drink it because I do not drink hot coffee. But then just pop, and I hit the ice setting. Okay, y'all, so I already just started making my coffee, but I kind of got a little distracted because Noel and I are making TikToks and watching videos about Lando Norris. So basically, I had the coffee in the freezer, we poured it in, added some ice, and then I took whole milk. I took the Torani, I don't know how you say it, but the vanilla syrup, and then I added some vanilla extract because I said to, and now we're just gonna put in some caramel because I love the taste of caramel. Mix it all together and boom, that's how you make my vanilla iced coffee. Okay guys, so I'm just sitting here at my desk watching the Formula 1 race in third year. I already know who won, and of course it was Lando Norris. But I just made this and I genuinely think it's so cute because everyone on like Pinterest has like an F1 bullet journal. I've thought about doing it, but we're gonna stick to on paper, and this is so freaking cute. Okay, so I just finished doing some like content planning because I do want to start making Formula 1 videos because it is my brand new obsession, as I already said, and I think helping the girlies on TikTok know and people learning if they want to get into it, I'm gonna start posting about it. So let me know if y'all like the idea. But right now I'm gonna go bring down my laundry because it's Sunday and I always do my laundries on Sunday, so we're gonna do that right now. That's basically it. I'm on the phone with my boyfriend right now and I'm watching him play some video games because it's like so much fun. But I took a shower, finished talking to Noelle, did some work in my binder for like content video ideas I have for Formula 1. So I'm explaining everything so y'all don't have to. Have a great day and I will see you in the next one. Peace. Love you. Bye.